Hello again, this is Joshua from Tiny House Basics. In this video, we're taking you on a little peek inside our factory where we are building this current trailer. This is a 36-foot long by 11 feet 8-inch wide Tiny House Basics trailer. That coupler on the front is called a pintle hitch. It is a 40,000 pound capacity. The trailer is rated at 28,000 pounds. So that is composed of four 7,000 pound axles. So four axles. This is a huge trailer. The width of the axles are 10 feet wide. The length of those fenders is 12 feet overall. So we are actually going to be doing the full build on this tiny house trailer at our workshop in Gilroy. So we have a lot of exciting videos and updates to come. So thank you for tuning in.